Hello Earthlings, how are you all? Welcome to day 19 of 21 day micro challenge. Most of us would have heard this quote which goes like, if you want to know the value of 1 year, ask a person who failed a course. If you want to know the value of 1 month, ask a mother who delivered a premature baby. If you want to know the value of 1 minute, ask a person who just missed the bus. If you want to know the value of 1 second, ask a person who just missed a car accident. If you want to know the value of 1/100th of a second, ask an athlete who won silver medal in Olympics. I would like to customize this quote and add one more input from my side. If you want to know the value of health, in brackets, physical and mental health, ask a person who does not possess it. Just that I have mentioned the word health, let me tell you that today's topic is going to be around wellness. Wellness integrates of body, mind and spirit. It is an ongoing process of choices that become the story of our lives. Wellness is never static. It is always flowing. The choices that we make on a daily basis contributes to our wellness journey. Let me share with you the top 2 things that are included in the mind, body and spiritual wellness. Mind includes constructive and creative use of your mind and knowing and living up to your ideals. Body includes exercise and safety, consistent pursuit of nutrition. Spiritual includes self-awareness and nurturance and meaningful endeavors. Let me tell you, one of the most easily taken as granted thing is our health, whether it is body, mind or spiritual. I feel we don't recognize it when we have it in right place. All of a sudden if someone gets sick and they go to doctor and they get to hear something which actually shake them up, then they start realizing how much we have taken the body as granted. What hurts me the most is when we know the things what needs to be done to keep our body and mind in good shape, but still we don't do it, and on top of it we cultivate some bad habits like smoking and drinking, and we spoil our health intentionally. If you have decided to do something about your wellness starting from today, and you think change is not so possible, let me tell you the 4 choices of change that you could remember and rethink before you start your wellness journey. Number 1. What do you want to change about your wellness? What do you want to let go of? What do you want to avoid? What do you want to keep and enhance in your wellness journey? Alright, let's get started. Day 19 of 21 day micro challenge. Let me ask you a couple of questions. I want you to think about these 2 questions before you go to bed. Number 1. What is that one initiative that you want to include as part of your wellness journey? Say for example, from tomorrow you are going to start a brisk walking, or you are going to drink good amount of water, or you are going to avoid sugar if you are diabetic. Number 2. Are you going to commit on any one of these initiatives that you have taken for yourself from tomorrow? Think about these 2 questions before you go to bed. This is your life, this is your journey. Your mindset decides your behavior and life. And do remember, never late than ever. Do not take your body, spirit and mind as granted. I hope you are enjoying these challenges, and let me know if you are liking my videos through a thumbs up, and share your thoughts and inputs in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Tomorrow I'll be coming up with a very important, interesting challenge that we all look up to. Stay connected. Yours truly, San.